The burning bush can grow huge in an uncontrollable manner as they mature. You might be wondering what ways to trim it down. It is crucial to know how to trim your burning bush the right way at the right time. Trimming burning bush is done generally for the health of the plant. Ideally, trimming should be done late winter or early spring, just before new growth starts to advance. If you wish to reduce the size of the bush, shaping is needed. Or you might need an extreme rejuvenation trimming process. 3 tips to consider on how to trim your burning bush. Number 1. Trimming for your plant health. Considering the health of the plant, you should trim your bush late winter or early spring before new growth. When you assess trimming your burning bush for its health, you should only remove branches that are prone to spreading diseases throughout the plant. Use a pruning shear to cut away dead branches. Make sure to cut down the whole branch of the diseased plant, down to its origin. This prevents diseases from spreading to other parts of the plant. Cut the intertwined branches with a pruning shear. Cut them down to the point of origin rather than trimming them down. Number 2. Pruning burning bush to shape it. Late winter or early spring should be the best time for trimming your burning bush to shape it, right before new plant growth develops. You should also plan to prune twice a year. Trimming down the burning bush is a nice way of keeping them in check and shaping them into the desired look. Using a hedge clipper or pruning saw, you can trim your burning bush into nice shapes such as box, cube, or globe head shape. This process will open the middle of the shrub to sunlight and air throughout the plant. You should also trim the bush once more towards the middle of summer. While you are trimming for shape, you should consider trimming for health maintenance also to keep your plant in good shape. Number 3. Rejuvenation trimming on a burning bush. If you neglect your burning bush for a long time, it will need renewal. This happens when you do not give your burning bush any trimming routine. Rejuvenation trimming should be done in late winter or early spring. Rejuvenation trimming is the harshest or serious form of pruning. You should only do rejuvenation trimming if your burning bush is overgrown. If your plant will grow back after the severe cut might be on your mind. Not to worry, your plant will definitely grow back strongly after a serious trimming. Make sure the severe cut is clean and sharp so your burning bush can make a good and quick recovery. You may have to reschedule doing this process again every year until you get your desired trim till all the overgrown shrubs are gone. Considering the fact that the trimming was harsh and severe, you will need to water your bush consistently till it regains its strength. Tips to take note. Trimming for health removes the bad branches, helps your shrub stay healthy. Light trimming is just for shapes. Rejuvenation trimming is basically for your burning bush renewal. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.